Niagara Falls is famed both for its beauty and as a valuable source of hydroelectric power. Balancing recreational, commercial, and industrial uses has been a challenge for the stewards of the falls since the 19th century. Theories differ as to the origin of the name of the falls. According to Iroquoian scholar Bruce Trigger, Niagara is derived from the name given to a branch of the local native neutral confederacy, who are described as being called the Niagagarga people on several late 17th century French maps of the area. According to George R. Stewart, it comes from the name of an Iroquois town called Anguiagara, meaning point of land cut in two. Pistial reader is formed by the Afondisgenfa falling, in 3 stages, over a 240 feet, 73 m, Silurian cliff face, below which the river is known as the Afon reader. The tallest stage is estimated at about 40 meters. It is counted as one of the 7 wonders of Wales and is a site of special scientific interest. The 19th century author George Borrow, in his book Wild Wales, remarked of the waterfall, "What shall I liken it to? I scarcely know, unless it is to an immense skein of silk agitated and disturbed by tempestuous blasts, or to the long tail of a grey courser at furious speed. I never saw water falling so gracefully, so much like thin, beautiful threads as here." Kegon Falls is located at Lake Shuzenji, source of the Oshiri River, in Nikko National Park near the city of Nikko, Tokaji Prefecture, Japan. The falls were formed when the Daya River was rerouted by lava flows. The main falls had a height of approximately 97 meters, 318 feet, and about 12 smaller waterfalls are situated behind and to the sides of Kegon Falls, leaking through the many cracks between the mountain and the lava flows. The Wal-Amon Falls, a cascade and horsetail waterfall on the Stony Creek, is located in the UNESCO World Heritage, listed wet tropics in the locality of Wal-Amon, Shire of Hinchinbrook in the northern region of Queensland, Australia. The waterfall is notable for its main drop of 268 meters, which makes it the country's tallest single-drop waterfall. The pool at the bottom of the waterfall is 20 meters deep. An estimated 100,000 people visit the waterfall annually. Kayatur Falls is the world's largest single-drop waterfall by the volume of water flowing over it. Located on the Potaro River in the Kayatur National Park, it sits in a section of the Amazon rainforest included in the Potaro-Siparanai region of Guyana. It is 226 meters, 741 feet, high when measured from its plunge over a sandstone and conglomerate cliff to the first break. It then flows over a series of steep cascades that, when included in the measurements, bring the total height to 251 meters, 822 feet. While many falls have greater height, few have the combination of height and water volume, and Kayatur is among the most powerful waterfalls in the world with an average flow rate of 663 cubic meters per second, 23,400 cubic feet per second. Nuwalikai Falls is the tallest plunge waterfall in India. Its height is 1,115 feet, 340 meters. 2 The waterfall is located near Cherrapunji, one of the wettest places on earth. Nuwalikai Falls are fed by the rainwater collected on the summit of a comparatively small plateau and decrease in power during the dry season in December, February. Below the falls there has formed a plunge pool with unusual green-colored water. Victoria Falls, Loze, Mosioatunya, the smoke that thunders, Tonga, Shungnamultitima, boiling water, is a waterfall on the Zambezi River in southern Africa, which provides habitat for several unique species of plants and animals. It is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe and is considered to be one of the world's largest waterfalls due to its width of 1,708 meters, 5,604 feet. While it is neither the highest nor the widest waterfall in the world, Victoria Falls is classified as the largest, based on its combined width of 1,708 meters, 5,604 feet, 6 and height of 108 meters, 354 feet, 7 resulting in the world's largest sheet of falling water. Victoria Falls is roughly twice the height of North America's Niagara Falls and well over twice the width of its Horseshoe Falls. In height and width, Victoria Falls is rivaled only by Argentina and Brazil's Iguazu Falls.